Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So yes, it's a very different Glossybox opening than usual, but I did record a Halloween video, and since I recorded a Halloween video, why not open the Halloween box with the Halloween face? So I'm gonna see which box I got, whether it was trick or treat. So let's see. I got the treat! Oh my god, I love this box. This box looks so good. Let's see what it is. I tell you that I don't actually know what's in the box. I'm not even going to look at the card because I want it to be surprised. I'm loving the theme. Every time they do some themed box, it looks so damn good. So it's like maroon ribbon and then a maroon sticker. Alright, so we got, first of all, we got the Sleek Eye Divine Oh So Special eyeshadow palette. I remember this, I know this. It used to be in Superdrugs. Man, they got some good palettes. They're really pigmented as well, so it's really nice. See what I use this for. Then we have the MUA Set and Reflect. Again, I'm familiar with this. I'm used to stocking this up. Set and Reflect Finishing Kit, white gold. A dual compact containing a lightweight invisible cover finishing powder and a white gold highlighting powder. Oh, okay. Set and Reflect. Okay, that makes sense. I don't actually like, you know, look at most of these items. Like, I used to stock them up. Your girl's, you know, been promoted since then, and I don't really handle makeup anymore. But I guess that's the Reflect and that's the Set. So Set and Reflect. There we go. So that's the highlighting powder and then the invisible translucent powder. Then we have Luna by Luna. Oh, who's that? So it's a translucent powder. Nice. I love my translucent powders. Okay. It's got a little puff with it as well. Okay, love it. I love translucent powders. I feel like I'm a collector of translucent powders. Like, what would I do without a translucent powder? Then we have Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick. So I believe this is what defines the trick or treat, what colour you get. So let me pop this right open. This is in Nebula. Just like from the Marvel comics. And it's a beautiful fuchsia pink. And luckily these are the kind of colours. This is actually something that I wear, and I don't have a Illamasqua product, so this is my first Illamasqua product. Nice. And then last but not least, we have In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturiser and Primer in one. This works. Awesome. Again, mask, moisturiser and primer. That's awesome. Okay, let us look at the card. No way. Oh my god. Okay, so I always look at the sneak peeks. Now, what I've just seen in the sneak peek is Huda Beauty. I do not own one Huda Beauty item in this room, in this house. I don't know. Something in me just can't bring myself to buy it. Like, they're so good, yet so expensive. Like, I can't even buy what I can buy it, but it's just like, I can't bring myself to buy, you know, even my eyebrow pencil that I use, because it's like £22, because it's just, to me it sounds so expensive. When you work in drugstore and you're used to such cheap prices and such awesome products, like when you see things that are like 34, 45, 50 pounds, you're like, I'm good, thank you so much. So Huda Beauty, and I'm getting that next month. I'm actually very excited for that. So that's the November box. I can't wait for that. So we have the Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick in Nebula. This is RRP £20. It says it's cruelty free and it's bright and girly, a beautiful shade of pink that suits all skin tones. It's an incredibly flattering hue, so your pearly whites shine brighter and whiter too. That's right, that's what we like. Then we got the MUA Luxe Set and Reflect Finishing Kit, which is RRP £5. It's vegan and cruelty free. You can use it to mattify your T-zone, and then the highlighter, of course, for the upper parts of your cheekbones. And apparently Nikki Tutorials used it. That's mad. I didn't know she used that. Then we have Luna by Luna Cosmetics, the translucent powder, which is RRP £17. It says it keeps your skin smooth for hours. It's cruelty free. It says we recommend using a beauty blender to apply the translucent powder to areas you've concealed to help your makeup stay fresh. Interesting, because I usually use a brush or a sponge, sorry, to apply my powder. That's pretty cool. Then we got this works in transit camera close-up, which is, what is this? This is the deluxe mini, so this is £17. The full size, which is 40ml, is RRP £35. This is expensive. It says this is cruelty free. The powerful blend of repairing plant oils, hyaluronic acid, argan and starflower oils, plus a hint of caffeine result in a revitalizing formula. This is a perfect way to rapidly erase the signs of fatigue, boost hydration and prep the skin for photo perfect makeup. Interesting. Then we have the sleek makeup, which is RRP $8.99 in Oh So Special, and this 12 super pigmented long lasting mineral based shades cover all bases from smoky and sophisticated to daytime chic. We adore the combination of matte and pearlescent shades that will keep you bang on trend and provide a whole host of possibilities for a sultry Halloween eye look. Nice. That's what we like to see. But it's funny because the picture looks completely different to what I got. But I like it. This box is really nice, Halloweeny. They've got you prepared for the translucent powders and the highlighting powder, the lipstick, the eyeshadow, and the mask moisturizer and primer. They've got you prepared for this Halloween. Also, again, I've done this look for Halloween. If you want to see it, you can check that out. Probably it'll come a little bit after this video. This video is a lot easier to edit. So yeah, that is the Halloween treat Glossybox video. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.